All right, guys, we are tracking the This Is Us stars after Tuesday night's crazy finale. Toby's wedding, Jack is an old man, cliffhanging flash forwards. The season 2 climax was filled with the most OMG moments, and the cast was right there with us for the ride, so let's break it down. Now, fans could not get enough of the old Jack Pearson. Look at this. Throughout the episode, Kate imagined her father as an older man for his 40th wedding anniversary with Rebecca. And I think Chrissy Metz perfectly captured how we were all feeling during those scenes, tweeting, "I literally can't take it." Co-star Susan Kelechi Watson seemed to agree, adding, "Seeing Jack like this warms my heart. I wish Beth got to meet him. They would have loved each other." Well, we think so too, Susan. And of course, fans could not help but grab those tissues. One viewer noting it was impossible not to cry after seeing Jack's older and wiser self. We feel you, girl. Those writers do not play fair. Another big moment was, of course, Kate's wedding. The aspiring singer went through a lot this episode and was finally able to let go of her father's tragic passing just hours before the ceremony. Actress Chrissy Metz showed off her Jack Pearson-inspired nails from the cozy ceremony. We can't even deal. Super adorable. The initials, that something blue hue, are hearts. And Mandy Moore gave a sweet shout out to her TV kids, writing how Kevin and Randall's wedding planning was top-notch for our Kate girl. The Pearson bros really went above and beyond for their sis, and their sweet speeches pretty much left us all wanting more. All right, now on to the cliffhangers. Oh, This Is Us. Why do you do this? It's not fair. In the final minutes of the finale, fans scrambled to uncover the meaning behind all those flash forwards. Is Toby's depression back? Why are Kevin and Beth's younger cousin Zoe, why is she on a flight to Vietnam?
So many questions.
I know, and why are Randall and Tess at the hospital? The pair, 2 decades into the future, reluctantly prepared to see her, leaving fans wondering who the female subject could be. Viewers were quick to think it might be Beth. One user writing, "If Beth dies, I will burn this place to the ground." I will too. Another adding, "I refuse to accept Beth died in those flash forwards." Nope. Same. We do not accept it. Guess we'll have to wait and see until next season's premiere, already counting down the days.